What is up, friends? Welcome back to another video of mine. Today we're going to talk about my channel structure and how I will move forward with my content, and furthermore some agency insights, what's been going on, and yeah, stay tuned. So now to actually directly go into my channel structure, I want to talk about, I got a fancy writing board right here and this whiteboard so I can better explain to you what I want to convey. So yeah, so my channel will be divided into two types of content. One will be more value based, that means like stuff you can actually use, or really how-tos and stuff, like stuff that provides value to you, the viewer, in the at the end. So yeah, this will be value, like videos I've done before, like how to read better, or how to better read books, or other stuff like how an internship can change your life, like videos like that you already know from this channel. This will be number one, like one type of content, and number two will be actually documenting my life and my agency, or how it's been growing, what's been going on, and what I do to scale the agency, scale the business, like more stuff like that, because sometimes there will be more casual vlogs, or like things like this, just throwing on the camera and sketching something on a whiteboard, which will be low production cost. That means like low production or not that quality kind of videos, whereas the value videos will be more kind of qualitative. So with the documenting, I want to do videos like just giving status updates on my life, like what's been going on, and on the biz. So yeah, just actually this is more kind of a selfish act, because in the end this will be for me to be maybe show those kind of videos in about 5 to 10 years or even longer, and just documenting my life to having some kind of legacy when my agency is going to grow faster or bigger, that people can really see how I did it. That's going to be the documenting side of things, and value, of course, will be other kind of videos, the videos you already know from this channel. So that's actually it. Moving on to the actual topic of this video. This will be the first documenting video which I will do. So today, it's a Saturday, it's the 11th of December, currently 3 p.m. and I'm now working on something called university.floatagency.com, which is basically a subdomain from our agency site, and this will be a web app where new freelancers, because my agency is completely based on freelancers, will be able to read documents or see videos on how we go about creating client campaigns, how to actually manage client accounts, and so on. So I'm building actually this kind of university, let's just call it like that, university. So this will actually be a new freelancer. That means a new dude who is working for my agency but is not employed by me, comes in our ecosystem, like works with us. So just for some context here, basically when freelancers join my team, they are mostly in for a long time, like not for one-time projects, but we get to know them a little bit better and integrate them into our ecosystem, and of course have to tell them what we really need, and for that, to minimize the time we need to get those freelancers in our ecosystem and get them to really know our processes. This university page will be a little help for that. So yeah, a new freelancer comes into our ecosystem, gets sent to the university page, okay? So this be right here. And this page is completely filled with content or documents, bits, scripts, everything we use to execute on our processes. That means creating client accounts, creating campaigns, you know, setting up our web apps, setting up a website the Float way, you know, stuff like that. And this portal is currently what I'm working on. This is my prio at the time. And of course, some might say, if you're also into the agency or services business, some might say that just basing an agency completely on freelancers is a waste of time. And I get that, because it's also not that, you know, you can't really liquidate the workload or work time of a freelancer as you could with an employee. At the time, I'm not really into, you know, getting an office or hiring a full-time person, because that will also bureaucracy would be just so much workload that would be added to my to-do list. So yeah, we are sticking to the freelancer workload for now. To the freelancer version for now. But if you're more interested in why I choose freelancers, I maybe will do a video on that in the future. So yeah, I'm currently building this university thing right here, and that's what I'm doing right now. Just working Saturday. So yeah, so let's just get started with getting some work done. See ya. Okay, quick update. My dad just made some food, so quick work break. So, I just finished eating and also cleaning the kitchen as I was told to do, and now I'm going to continue to work. Then I'm going to create some content for AG, because I just recently did a Q&A, which gave me some ideas for some new content. And now I'm going to continue, and at 6 p.m. my girlfriend comes over, and we will drive to Cologne and have some fun. Yeah, so that's the agenda for today. Let's continue on working. What is up, guys? Just a quick one right here. I recently posted a questions post in my story, and there was one specific question which I wanted to elaborate more on, which was how to be more confident or how to have more self-esteem all in all. And because that's something I thought about a lot, I wanted to give you some advice which I learned on my way. So I got two tips. Number one is actually knowing that no matter what you do in social situations, you will always be okay. It will have no influence on you or your life. And number two is ask yourself if something will matter if you're old. Like if you are 80 years old, for example, and you look back, think to yourself, is the judgment that I receive because I do a certain thing, will this matter when I'm about 80 years old or when I'm old, all in all? Yeah, that's my advice for that. These two mindset changers helped me a lot to overcome judgment or be more confident in every situation. Hope this helps. And just a quick thing, friends, if you are interested in why I'm starting to document my life, I actually, before starting this vlog or before starting my social channels, I did a video journal for over 1.5 years. 2018 till 2020, I actually did videos like this of me just explaining how my day went and stuff. There's me for over a year ago. Well, look at my face. That's amazing. Wow. I'd say I'd lost some weight. I think so. So yeah, but this is me over 1 year ago, just talking how my agency is going, what I'm doing and stuff. And this is like kind of what I want to do now, but in a different kind of way. So yeah, documenting my life. Switchpod raus, hingestellt. But I feel it still.